Hello love, so today will be an unboxing video of my Coach Tabby. You're probably wondering, did you get another Coach Tabby? Didn't you already get one? I'll insert a video of the last one I got here. But turns out that the purse that I got was not authentic. It was a scam. Yes, a scam. So how did I find out? Well, I got a few comments on my video and a message that said that the purse may not be authentic, and there were some things that they saw that didn't look like the authentic purse of people who were owners of that Coach Tabby 26. And when I first got it and I looked at the pictures, I did think it wasn't as big as the Coach Tabby 26, so I didn't think it was it, and so I thought it might be the 20, but then I saw how much smaller the 20 was, and I was like, well, maybe it is the 26 and I'm just looking at the sizing wrong. So I did message the seller and I was like, okay, maybe this is a Coach Tabby 26. She assured me that it was. And so that was before I posted the video, and then like I said, when I posted the video I got the comments and the messages. So I decided to investigate further, and I went to the Coach website and I looked at the inside, like the contents of the purse on the inside compared to the pictures, and it was not the same. The buckle looks different on the inside. The flap doesn't even open. You can't even put anything in that little flap part in the front. Also the text that says that it's leather, that looked different too. It didn't look like the photos, and I realized the fabric wasn't authentic leather. So this is not to bash Poshmark. I've gotten really nice bags from Poshmark that were authentic. I got the Dior tote bag from there and a Telfar bag from there, and they are perfectly fine. They're authentic, and I love those bags so much. But this is just to spread awareness that sometimes people might try to trick you. So look carefully at the photos. When this seller sold the photo, when the seller posted the photos, they did not post the inside of the bag. So if you were just looking at it from the outside, it looks like the real Tabby bag, but it was not. So this is just to spread awareness so you can be more cautious when buying bags on Poshmark, because there are some people who will try to trick you, which is very sad, but it's the truth. But I decided to get the Coach Tabby 20 from the Coach website, and I'm going to unbox it. So let's see what it looks like. I know it's probably a little smaller than the purse that I got before. That was fake, but I thought this would still be a good size, because the Coach Tabby 26 is a lot bigger and it's also a lot more expensive. I thought this one was a better price for the size, and I've heard some people say that they think the Coach Tabby 20 fits just as much as the bigger one. So we'll see if that's true. But this is the little pouch. It's the real thing. I'm excited. Okay. And then I just want to use this as like an everyday purse. I don't really carry as much as I used to in the past. But here it is. I got the maple brown one again. And this is what it's looking like. Alright, so here is the bag. Let me fix that. Here's the bag. Looks very nice. Alright, so it's a lot smaller than the bag that I got from Poshmark, but I still think it could fit a good amount for every day. But I think it's so cute, and it's the real thing. I'm excited. Okay, I got a keychain that I got from Urban Outfitters when I got my ear pierced. I went across the street to Urban Outfitters, and I'm gonna put it on the bag and see what it looks like. I'll be back. So you know how a lot of people are getting those Coach keychains and putting it on their bag? I wanted to get one too, but they were like, oh, the ones I wanted were sold out. But I found this at Urban Outfitters. So I'm going to put it on the back like so. And that's what it looks like. It's pretty cute. So I'm excited I have the real bag now, and just be careful when you're buying certain things from secondhand things online because they can trick you. But I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video, and yeah, if you want to get the Coach Tabby 20, go ahead and get it. I think it's so cute, so hopefully it lasts. Some people say they don't like the leather fabric because it rubs or whatever, but I think this is good. I mean, we'll see. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.